Control number 42056, please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir, madam. I am Katrina S. Jaime, 34 years old, single mother of my 5 years old daughter. I have 3 sisters. I'm in the second to the eldest in the family.
What is your educational attainment?
I graduated at Camp General Emilio Aguinaldo High School
Why do you want to go to Hong Kong?
to provide the needs of my daughter.
Have you been to any country before as an OFW?
Yes, I have worked in Hong Kong, 9 months in my first employer and 4 months in my second employer as domestic helper. And also, I have experience here in the Philippines as nanny for 4 years.
Do you have experience in taking care of old person?
Yes, I take care of my grandparents before. I give them bath, prepare food and medicines.
Do you have experience in taking care of newly born babies and children?
Yes, I read books with them, play with them, and prepare their food.
Aside from your daily household works, what other special skills you can do?
Cooking and car wash.
What foreign dishes can you cook?
Chinese food like steamed fish and vegetable. And Filipino food like sinigang, adobo, menudo, fried fish or meat.
Describe yourself as a housemaid.
I am honest, responsible, and hardworking person.
During misunderstanding with your employer, what do you do?
I talk to them to say apologize and say sorry.
Describe your relationship with your past and present employer. How do they treat you?
They treat me like their family.
Message for future employer in Hong Kong.
Dear Sir, Madam, if you will give me the opportunity to work with you, I will do my best and work hard for your family. I will do all my responsibilities and treat your children as my own children. And I promise to take good care of your family and finish my contract with you for 2 years or more. Thank you and God bless.